Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn how routing work in a React.js application with the help of React Router DOM. So React Router DOM basically it's a library which comes under a React or a building a single page application with routing. So routing basically allow your application to navigate between a different component, changing the browser URL. Also, it's modifying the browser history and keeping the UI state in the sync. Okay, so this is basic definitions of React Router DOM. So it's just allow you to navigate in a different pages in your React application without page refreshing, and also it's keep the UI state in sync. Okay, so let's see how we can implement basic route in a React router. Okay, so this is just a basic React project. Okay, this is a basic project I have created using npx create react app. Okay, so you can do that in a command prompt. Okay, so after creating a React project, you have to just install one package called React Router DOM. Okay, ignore other package like anti design. So you have to just install React Router DOM. After installing the React Router DOM, so I have just removed all the content inside the app uh, function and just given the heading this. Okay, so this is our topic of this video. Okay, so now I will create a header with some navigation. Okay, so I will give the folder name component, and here I will give the file name header. Okay, so I will do some shortcut here. Okay, so RFC. Okay, if you want to achieve the same thing, then you have to install the package, no, sorry, not package, extension, a VS Code extension. So this extension you have to install so that you can generate this React snippet. Okay, so let's bring from React router down a link, and I will remove this div. I will use fragment here. Okay, and I will use your, and in list item I will have link, and it will be a home component. Okay, so I will copy couple of times here. Okay, so this will be like it will navigate to news page. Okay, this will be about page, so it will be navigate to about page. Okay, and this is the contact, so it will be navigate to contact. So now we have created the basic navigation in here header. So I will bring the header component here. So we have to automatically import the header component. If not, then you have to manually import like this. Now let's see. So we got the our header, okay, with home, news, about, contact. So you can see the URL it getting changes, but we haven't registered the respective components of home, news, about, and contact. So we are going to register the component with the specific route. So let's create one more folder. like pages. So first I will register one component. So let's see home. So RFC, and I will give heading like home component. So this is just a basic component to basically demonstrate you how routings work. And here from React router, I will bring the switch. Okay, switch we need, and route we need. Switch. So here first I will register one component. So the path will be this one, and we can pass the component. So I'll import home component. So again it's import automatically. So let's see. So you can see home component is rendering. Okay, now let's create other component as well. So news.js. So RFC. So I will just copy this one. Or I will only change this one. Okay, type news. Likewise, I will create for about. So I'll just copy. So about, and this is the contact. So this will be again contact component. Okay, so now come to app.js file, and one more thing you have to do, I just forget. So you have to go into index.js file, and you have to wrap your component with the browser router from the React router DOM. Then only routing will work. Okay, so let's register one by one component. So here news, about, and this will be contact. Okay, contact. About is not imported. Let's give it one more try. Okay, so all components are imported and registered with the route. So the path is same. Okay, as I have mentioned here. So these paths are the same with respect to route. Okay, so let's see one by one. Okay, so I will come here, but it's not working. It's still showing the home component. So what could be the reason? So the reason could be like here you have to pass the exact. Okay, so let's see with exact it's working or not. So I'm new with exact also not working. So let's something is news there. This is home contact. This is about us, but it's not changing. So let's come get exact again. So let's so now it's changing after giving the exact. So exact you can give to all route. Okay, So exact basically after slash means it will looking only the slash, okay. So it will match only slash and the slash, okay. And if anything is different, then it will be displaying the other components, okay. So earlier it I haven't put the exact keyword, that's why it's rendering the same home component, okay. So and here I have done some basic styling for to showing the navigation proper. So this is the basic styling I have done. So you can do in your index.css file, okay. Then only your navigation will look like this, okay. And one more thing you notice, so it's also keeping the sync with the UI state. So suppose if you are here and if on about component and you are navigating to contact, and if you are going back, then it will be going back to about. So it's basically also remembering your browser history, okay. So this is one more features about React Router DOM. So that's it guys from this video, and in this video we have understand the basic concept of React Router DOM, how routing work in the React application, how you can navigate in the React without page refreshing. So you also notice that the page is not refreshing, although URL is getting changed in the browser, but this page is not refreshing. So this is happening due to the React Router DOM. So I hope you understand the basic concept of routing in React Router DOM. And if you like this video, then please press like button and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.